In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on sync on Google Chrome. Sync in Chrome keeps your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, open tabs, extensions, and key settings the same across your computers so you can pick up where you left off anywhere you sign in with your Google account. Here's how to enable it on a Windows or Mac computer. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, look for your profile icon. It's the circular avatar or initial. Click it, then choose Turn on Sync. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. After you enter your credentials, Chrome will show a confirmation. Select Yes, I'm in to begin syncing right away. If you see the option Link Data, choose that if you want to merge the browsing data already on this device with what's in your account, keeping everything together. As soon as you confirm, Chrome starts syncing your data automatically in the background. If you prefer going through Settings, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Under the You and Google section, click Turn on Sync. Sign in with your Google account if asked, and then confirm sync to activate it. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels more natural. If you don't see Turn on Sync, you might already be signed in and syncing. Once sync is on, you can choose exactly what gets synced. In the address bar, type Chrome/Settings Sync Setup and press Enter. On this page, click Manage What You Sync. You can keep it simple with Sync Everything, or select Customize Sync to control the details. With Customize, you can toggle categories like bookmarks, passwords, history, extensions, open tabs, settings, and autofill data. For example, you might sync bookmarks and passwords but leave history or open tabs off if you're on a shared or temporary computer. Your choices apply to your account, so any device you sign into with Sync On will follow these preferences. A quick privacy reminder: only turn on Sync on devices you trust. When Sync is enabled, your selected data becomes available on every device where you're signed in, and Sync is active. Avoid enabling it on public or shared computers, and always sign out of Chrome when you're done on a device that isn't yours. On work or school machines, some sync options may be managed by your organization, so certain settings could be locked. That's it. With Sync enabled and customized, Chrome will keep your browsing life consistent and convenient across your devices. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more connected Chrome experience.